Monday mail call. Just got this on Amazon. Saw it on another guy's YouTube channel, Potato Salad. So not my idea, but a lot of people wondering why Ford didn't put a lock in here. But this is a little cubby in the truck bed, and I'm just gonna replace that with a little cam lock. There was a bunch of different sizes for this little lever. I just ordered the shortest one. I'll put the link in the description. This is from Admiral Locks. Here's the part number. Came with 2 keys. So basically, I'll just drill this out, bend or cut to size, and it should just drop right in. So let's measure this, see what we have to drill out. 0.72, or basically 3/4 step bit. Pretty much dead on the center of that little tab. It is about 1 inch. It's about even from the top edge. It's about 0.34 inches down. T20 Torx. Let's see if it fits. Perfect. So this is a 90-degree cam lock, so I just align my unlock and lock. Don't forget this little washer, it's kind of important. That's the only thing that's gonna stop your key from turning too far when you lock and unlock it. Alright, let's try it. Here goes nothing. Alright, finally got the perfect combo. Cut it down a little bit, got that first leading edge filed down a little bit, and then you could see how it's kind of angled. Kind of had to bend it out towards the rear passenger side a little bit to kind of match this little hole. It's not a perfect slit, it kind of guides you in on the opening end and then kind of squeezes the lid shut towards the rear of the slot or rear of the truck. So I just bent it to help guide itself in, and now it works pretty good. So kind of a lot of messing around, but if you're bored and got $9, might as well, right?